Bringing a new drug to market costs over $1 billion. For the consumer, this can mean fewer medicines in development, and for pharmaceutical companies, it results in limited time to recoup costs before their patents expire. Curtin chemical engineering researchers have developed a patented manufacturing platform for the production of targeted drug delivery systems. ARISE, or Atomized Rapid Injection for Solvent Extraction, is a multifunctional platform that produces customizable micron and sub-micron particles of active ingredients that can also be coated if required. Smaller particles are more readily absorbed and also more effectively inhaled. The ability to coat the ingredients, for example, to protect them as they journey through the stomach, can enhance the treatment of colon diseases. ARISE is a technology that delivers more medicine to where it is needed. This can lead to lower dosages, reduced side effects, improved patient compliance, and ultimately more effective treatment. It can extend product life cycles through reformulating existing drugs, providing alternative delivery systems, and repurposing medicines for new indications. The ARISE platform has been proven at lab scale, and work has commenced on a scale-up demonstration plant. ARISE meets the challenges faced by pharmaceutical companies by creating the opportunity to fully realize their return on investment in drug research and development.